Okay, so it says, the purpose of the physical sciences is to predict the order in which events will succeed one another. All right, so right now I'm thinking, okay, the purpose of this, I'm thinking this is background information. It's just kind of telling us like, hey, this is why physical sciences exist. Human behavior also can sometimes be successfully predicted. I'm like, okay, cool. Not only can physical sciences predict the order that events are going to happen, I guess human behavior can also sometimes be predicted. However, even such predictions of human behavior do not provide an understanding of it. For understanding a human action requires knowing its goals or goal, even though such knowledge of goals either cannot or need not be obtained in the case of the non-human behavior. So do you say this is an argument or a set of facts?
Argument.
Awesome. And then what is our conclusion?
However, even successful predictions of human behavior do not provide an understanding of it.
Yes. And so this was what I had mentioned earlier, how there's 3 words that are synonymous, which are for, since, and because. We don't really talk like for anymore, where it's like, we should get ice cream for it is hot outside. Like we don't speak like that anymore, but the
Yeah,
LSAT does. And so what comes after for?
a
What,
premise.
a premise. Excellent. And then we actually have a different example here of a part of an argument. What is this last part here called?
Honestly, I did not know.
Have you ever heard of the word concession?
No.
Okay, so a concession is kind of when you grant the other side. So if I said, although it's cold outside, we should still get ice cream. Although it's cold outside, is I'm kind of like showing you a flaw or the like, I'm kind of granting the other side, like, hey, I recognize that it's cold outside, but, or I could say, even though it's cold outside, we should still get ice cream.
Okay.
Um, so our conclusion, though, is even successful predictions of human behavior do not provide an understanding of it. And then what is it referring to? Right.
Human behavior.
Excellent. So even successful predictions of human behavior do not provide an understanding of human behavior. All right, go ahead and tell me what answer you think it is.
B, it's not I mean, I knew it was A from the start, but then B is like the opposite, right?
Okay, so B says one cannot predict like an instance, so a single instance of human behavior without understanding of the agent's purpose and engaging of that behavior. Do we ever talk about the purpose of engaging in a behavior?
No.
No, so that's why that's not our answer.
Mm-hmm.
And it says one cannot predict an instance of human behavior. It actually does, yeah, you were right. It does tell, we do say, hey, even successful predictions there. Where A it just says successful predictions of human behavior do not constitute, and what does constitute mean?
Like make, create, like establish.
Yeah, does not, yeah, I had a more simpler, I said does not guarantee or does not
Yeah.
produce. Yeah, perfect. That was definitely, that was